Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and straightforward tutorial. How to remove Wix chat from your Wix website. Maybe you added the chat app to try it out, but now you want something different. Or maybe you just want a cleaner look for your site. Whatever the reason, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get rid of Wix chat and tidy up your website in just a few minutes. Let's jump right into it. First things first. You probably added the Wix chat app from the Wix app market, right? That's where most site owners go to find and install new features. To delete it, we'll be heading right back to the app market. Think of it as the hub where you can oversee all the apps currently working on your site. So, go ahead and open your Wix Editor and find the app market on your dashboard. It's usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the little icon that looks like a shopping bag or says App Market. Click on that to enter. Now, once you're inside the app market, look for an option that says Manage Apps. This is your central point for controlling all the add-ons and extras that you've brought into your Wix website. It's like your control center for added functionality. In Manage Apps, you'll see a list of all the apps you're currently using, including Wix Chat. If your list is long, you might need to scroll a moment, but don't worry. Wix usually orders them quite clearly. Next, to the Wix Chat app, you'll see three little dots, often called the More menu. These dots are pretty common in web dashboards, and they're always your doorway to extra options. Click on those three dots and a small menu should pop up. Now, this part might feel easy, but always take a second to make sure you're deleting the right thing. In that menu, you're looking for Delete. Sometimes it says Remove or Uninstall, but on Wix, it should say Delete. Simply click on it and confirm if prompted. The system may check to make sure you're certain. Don't worry, this process won't affect the rest of your website. It'll just get rid of the chat feature. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've confirmed, Wix will remove the chat app from your site, and you'll see your design updated. No more floating chat bubble, just a cleaner, simpler look. If your visitors were using chat, you might want to let them know another way to contact you, like by email or a contact form. And remember, you can always reinstall Wix chat later if you change your mind. The app market is always open to you. If you ever get stuck or if something doesn't look right, feel free to take a deep breath and check each step again. Wix makes app management pretty straightforward, but sometimes menus look a little different depending on recent updates or which template you're using. Don't worry, just look for those three dots near the Wix chat entry and you'll be on the right track. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If it helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you've got any questions, or if there's a different Wix tool you want to see a guide for, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new tutorials to help improve your website. And I look forward to seeing you next time.